Okay, and welcome to the tutorial on the matrix system on the recent changes that have been made, area, condition, adding zip codes, and cities. First, you're going to log in, and it's going to bring you to your dashboard. You're going to go to the tab at the top, which is My Matrix. Go down, which this is a shortcut to your auto emails. Click on Auto Emails, and it's going to bring you to a page with a list of all your auto emails. The red dot with the exclamation point or disabled, the green with the check or active and sending. All the green must be revised. Starting with the first one, click the down arrow and click criteria. Now I'm choosing disabled for a reason, but we need you to click on the green arrow and then criteria. All mine have been revised, so I need to show y'all on one that has not been revised. So this is an example. Okay, into the page of the auto criteria for the auto email. If you look down on the left side, you're going to have condition. Now, this is sending out as residential. You're going to have multi-property, vacant land, cross properties, search cross property, which is commercial, condos, vacant land, residential. This condition could potentially be in this location on the left side, could be on the right side. We're going to say excellent and very good is highlighted. So we need to clear out condition due to the changes that have been made, and this is no longer valid. You're going to click once, hold control down, click on a mouse once again, let go of control, and that's going to clear out your condition. What is taking place of condition is age description 1 and age description 2. Now, in age description 1, you have fixer-upper, new construction, resale, teardown. I'm choosing resale. Age description 2, age unknown, all original, historical, none, remodeled, structural changes, all major mechanical systems, renovated, cosmetic changes of at least 50% total living area. Also, under renovation. If I was looking for historical properties, I would choose historical. In this case, I am looking for properties, but I am choosing none of the age description 2. The reason for that is there are still listing agents that have not made these necessary changes within their listings. So therefore, they're not sending out, or we're not receiving them properly due to their not being changed. So with that being said, I am sending out resale. Now, a client may get 3 or 4 properties that they like. One of them may be in a bit rough condition that may not qualify for their loan. They may call you. I would look at all 4 of the properties, and if you see one that potentially looks a little bit rough, may not qualify, I would contact that listing agent and make sure if that's what you're seeing within the pictures. Otherwise, you can choose the best category that fits your prospect, such as renovated, remodeled, things of that nature. In this case, I am choosing resale into everyone with which hopefully within the next week or two makes all the changes that they need to make. So I am sending out all resale to these clients currently. Now, scrolling down, up and down a page, you're going to see another one, which is area category, which is no longer used. Scroll up, scroll down, and see exactly what was your choices. Choices here or area 114, 115. So if you potentially looking up and down accidentally hit one, not to worry, click cancel, come back in, and these two should definitely be highlighted, and you can see which category was chosen. So 114, 115. Now we got to see what zip codes these two are specifically in, and I would go to Google, look up zip code maps for New Orleans area, click on one, hold control, click again with the mouse, and that's going to clear out your area, which is no longer used. So that's going to bring us to the top in the center, city and zip codes. Now, I believe 70458 is for those two areas specifically. Once you type it in, click on that selection. And that should calculate 8 matches. Now, you would not just type in Slidell, because then that would give you the entire Slidell coverage area. Unless you're picking Slidell, and then you go to the map and you circle the area that you had in mind. I myself would choose to use a zip code. Now, keep in mind, choosing this zip code, if I chose Slidell, it wouldn't only give you all of Slidell, which is not what the client or prospect is asking for, but 70458 may potentially be an area such as Eden and Isles. It may be just out of Slidell. Oak Harbor may just be out of Slidell, which is technically covered by St. Tammany. You're not trying to type in specifically in a city St. Tammany, because then it would give you all of St. Tammany area that isn't within areas such as Mandeville, Covington, Slidell. Which, in fact, it's not even calculating St. Tammany in the first place. So in these situations, you have to use the zip code. So there are times that I'm finding the zip codes more so useful than the actual city, but you can recalculate. And like I said, I would pull up Google, search a map of zip code area, and that would allow you to better choose the zip codes you need to specifically type in to cover that specific area. Now, if 70458 covers a little bit too far out the area and they just want specifically Eden Owls, then of course you would have to go to the map and use your polygon and circle in that area. Now, a parish such as St. Bernard Parish might have 5 zip codes and might have 8 cities or 10 cities. It would be easier for me to type in the 5 zip codes rather than Chalmette, Arabi, Violet, Miro, and the list goes on. Now, an area such as Kenner has 1 city, 2 zip codes. So it would be easier for me to type in Kenner. And we have 0 matches. Click Louisiana. Okay, 0 matches. Seven zero zero 65, 70062 are the 2 zip codes, and again we have 0 matches. Okay, we're going to back out of here for a moment, and we're going to go to one that's active, back into criteria. Okay, condition, it's been cleared out. Age description 1, we're going to choose resale. Area has been removed since those changes were already revised. Zip codes of choice 70403, 70466, 70401. Now, I'm not sure exactly where these zip codes are at, but these are the choices that were made. Then you're going to click Save. Okay. That's going to bring you to the next page. In your message, 1 or more new update listings match your criteria, search criteria. You're going to click at the bottom, ASAP, then click Saved. Once you do so, it's going to automatically send out the properties that have been reconfigured and continue to send out new properties ASAP. Now, if it's someone that requested daily or monthly, then you would make those selections. Otherwise, I would suggest ASAP. Okay, that concludes areas, conditions, adding zip codes, and cities. Okay, so anyone need any help or assistance, don't hesitate to either give me a call or email me. And thanks for watching.